Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process. So to do that, go to the App Store. It's this one, tap on it. Then first thing, you have to make sure you are logged in into your Apple account. To do that, tap on the top right corner and make sure you are logged in into your Apple account. Then press done. Now let's search for some apps. Tap on the search bar, tap again. Now let's say I want to install WhatsApp. And WhatsApp, because I have the app installed already, it says open. But in your case, should be something like this. Tap on get. And now you have to double click to install. And wait for the app to get download and install. If you want to search for another app and type for a different app that you want to download, the apps that you download should be on the home screen, or if it's not on the home screen, should be in the app library. Should be around here. That's it. Let me know if it works for you.